Hello and welcome to TVJ's Final Whistle. I'm Simon Preston. It's day 10 of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Another 22 enthralling days to come. Today we had three wonderful matches. I'm here with Giovanni Brady, who's going to help us break down these matches. So Giovanni, firstly, the first match on the day, Belgium 5, Tunisia 2, a 7-goal thriller. What were your thoughts of this performance?
Well, I thought it was a really good game. Yeah. Belgium coming out of the blocks and they're really racing towards that top spot in their group. A lot of persons might say Belgium are the favorites, but I still have a bit of reservations. They haven't really faced any top teams yet, just Tunisia and just Panama. So let's see what happens. But Belgium looking really good, both Hazard and Lukaku with a brace. So. Yeah. Really
well,
good.
you can only beat who is put in front of you. Michy Batshuayi getting the other goal for Belgium, and on Tunisia's side of things, Dylan Ebron and Waib Khazri getting a goal in that game.
And not to interrupt you, I think it might have been really good that Batshuayi got to come on and get a goal, because we didn't see it in the game, but apparently Lukaku has a ligament strain. So Batshuayi might have to start against England, and the fact that he got that goal builds his confidence going into that game.
Well, that's 2 wins for 2 from Belgium now. Let's see how they'll do against England next week. The second game on the day, CONCACAF Kingpins Mexico picking up their second win of the tournament, defeating South Korea 2-1. The former Arsenal man Carlos Vela on the score sheet, and the former Manchester United player Javier Hernandez on the score sheet. And for South Korea, the Tottenham Hotspur man Heung-min Son on the score sheet.
Son was probably South Korea's only bright spot throughout the game. He was attacking. South Korea had a very inexperienced team. A lot of those players are from their under-20 or were in their under-21 team. The coach that coaches South Korea now, he was the coach of their under-21 team, so he put his faith in those players. Son having a lot to prove. He was played straight to the middle and he had some really direct running that we're used to seeing from Tottenham. The long balls really worked, but Mexico has a lot of quality. They have a lot of really good players in their squad, so South Korea weren't really able to combat them, but it was a good effort, a valiant enough effort.
Well, that's 2 wins from 2 for Mexico, the first time that they have done so in the group stage of the World Cup since 2002 in Japan and South Korea. Let's see if they'll be able to top their group. And the final match of the day, the defending champions, Germany 2, Sweden 1.
Was there really ever any doubt? I'm sorry. I mean,
late winner from who else? Toni Kroos.
Let me not pretend like I was confident. I was in the studio here and I thought it was over, but Toni Kroos, the Madrid man, coming up with the stuff. I thought Joachim Löw made some really good, risky substitutions where if Germany lost, we might have questioned them, but it worked out and they went down to 10 men because Boateng was sent off. So it was a good performance. Them doing what champions do, snatching, victory from the proverbial jaws of defeat. So yeah, it was a good game.
Well, Marco Reus got the equalizer for the Germans after Nils Toivonen got the goal for the Scandinavian side, Sweden, to take that 1-0 lead. Giovanni, we have 3 games on Sunday: England versus Panama, Japan versus Senegal, and Colombia versus Poland. Firstly, your prediction for England and Panama.
Well, as I said to you earlier, I think...
And just to say, remember to be careful what you say as an England fan, because the ball's over there. Just plain, man. Go ahead.
I think England should win this game. This is a Panama team that's new. They're debutants at the World Cup. I think they should win. I'm not a betting man, but they have to win. They just have to win. I don't. If they lose, then I think Simon will be really disappointed.
I don't even want to think about that at all. It would just be a nightmare, just like 2014.
So yeah, Costa Rica, and this Panama team is not the same quality as a Costa Rican team. So I'm predicting 2-1. Let me go 2-1.
2-1. I'll take that any day of the week. Next game, Japan and Senegal.
Japan and Senegal. I'm predicting probably a 1-0 win to Senegal or a draw. Let me go for a draw. I'm predicting probably a 1-1 draw. Senegal's firepower. Senegal did get lucky in the first game, a bit lucky with, some defensive errors from Poland. However, they're a good team. They run at you. They're probably more physically imposing than Japan. So I predict a draw, though. A 1-1 draw.
And finally, the last game on the day, Colombia versus Poland. Both teams without a point, and they'll be hoping for a victory to stay in the hunt.
Both teams without a point. Both teams have a lot of quality. Poland, Lewandowski. Colombia has James Rodriguez, Juan Guardado. A lot of quality players. These 2 games are very tough to call.
Yeah.
Let me say 1-0 to Colombia. Sticky. Don't hold me to these predictions. I'm not confident about these predictions today.
1-0 Colombia. Wow. I want Poland to stay in the competition. Come on, Lewandowski, 2 goals for you. That would be nice. But that's it for Final Whistle for this week. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode where we recap all the day's action from the 2018 FIFA World Cup. I'm Simon Preston.
And I'm Giovanni Brady.
And have a pleasant day.